back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to go in depth about nail prep, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get really easy oval French gel nails with encapsulated glitter and gel. So the first step is to clean off your nail plate really well with rubbing alcohol. Then you're going to go in with this cuticle bit. I got this one from Amazon. It is not sharp, so it cannot cut you. I am going super slow on the E-file, and I'm not pressing into the nail. I'm just gliding over that cuticle. This takes away any excess cuticle on the nail plate. It is important to do this, you guys, so that you don't get lifting. So I'm just gliding over the cuticle area here, again, not pressing at all. And then I'm going in one direction and then going over in the other direction to ensure that all of our excess cuticles are removed. Again, this is super important in prep to prevent any lifting. So I'm doing that over all of the nails here, and I did clean them before with rubbing alcohol. Now I'm going to clean them again, and I'm using this brush here, super important. Keeping the nails super clean and dehydrated. You don't want any oils on the nails because this will also cause lifting. So you guys can see how I'm really scrubbing here, super important. And then I just went over the nails lightly with a 180 grit file. So I built up these French oval nails with hard gel. And then to encapsulate glitter, I'm going over these with base gel. And then I'm going to use that to adhere glitters. I'm going into uncured base gel. And I'm using a gel brush here to adhere glitters into the nail. You want to make sure that you make your French nail super thin, because we are going to go over and encapsulate these. So I am just applying the glitters where I want to along the wet base gel. And then after you do that, you are going to cure this in your LED UV lamp. And I did this before I filed or anything. So I just finished up the nails, I put on the base gel, and then I put on the glitters. And if you find that the glitters are not sticking enough, you can add a little bit more base gel and then go over that with the glitter. And you guys can see I'm just patting them into place here, and then I'm going to go in next step, cure that. Then I'm going to go in with NSI hard gel, take up a rather big dollop of gel, and you're basically, this is a cover pink, so we don't really need to go over that. What we need to go over is the white area where we put the glitter. So I'm going to start there. And then you guys can see I'm just moving my brush from side to side and in circular motions to move that gel around where I want it. If you need more, I go in and grab more. And then after I do all this, before I cure it, I'm going to flip my hand upside down, and gravity is basically going to build that perfect apex for me. So what I'm doing in here is just encapsulating all of the glitters. Again, I did put the base gel, the glitters, cure it, flip my hand over after I encapsulated, and then I filed for you guys off camera. And you can see how those glitters are all encapsulated in the nail. Super easy, especially with hard gel. You can also do this with this encapsulating glitter method with acrylic. I've done it before in videos. It works great. I love the clarity of hard gel to encapsulate glitter, so I highly recommend. So here I'm going in with the IBD No Cleanse Top Gel, applying a nice floating layer of that. You guys can see how shiny. Absolutely love these encapsulated glitters over the French. Super pretty. And then I'm just adding in a touch of pearls here and stones on the side. All of these I did get from Amazon, including the tool here I'm using to pick up the gems. So I added a little pearl and crystals here on the ring finger, and then I'm going in with some caviar beads around there. And I think that this is a super cute design. It really adds the sparkle to the encapsulated glitter on the free edge of the nail. So I'm just moving this around how I like it, and then when we are done with that, we are going to cure it in the LED UV lamp. I did a really similar design on the middle finger as well. I thought it was super cute, and I didn't want to add too much to take away from the sparkle of the encapsulated glitter on the free edge. So I'm just finishing up top coating, curing these, and that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these nails as much as I did and learned a lot from the prep process. So that is it for today. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Bye!